Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you one unique and different on-screen keyboard for any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as 8bit keyboard, and on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it. Now just tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now it will ask you some permission. Just tap on enable. Now just enable this 8bit option. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now move back. Now just tap on this choice. Now just select the 8bit. Now inside this application settings you can choose a tons of options. The first one is select language input. So let me select English. You can select your original language also, whichever language you find comfortable. So I'll just prepare English and click on OK. And you can select the layout also. You can select emoji keyboards. You can customize the circle size, circle offset x-axis, tons of options here. So I'm not gonna make you bored, so you can check out by yourself all the options here. So at the bottom you can see here one bar is showing up written test your keyboard here. You can just test it here before using it on other application also. Just tap on it. Now you can see the keyboard user interface. So it's a very unique and different looking on-screen keyboard, which is rarely seen on most of the on-screen keyboards available for the Android smartphones and tablets, right? So you might be finding it's very easy. Just if you swipe up and you can type it. No, you can't type like that. If you tap on this PQR also, you don't type any words, right? So here there is no proper instructions how to use it, but don't worry, here I will show you how to use it. So say I want to type apple, right? So what you need to do is just tap and hold on this circle, tap it at the center, tap and hold at the center of the circle, and just swipe it right. Since we have a here, and now you can see A is selected. And now if you want to type the A, then just bring it here again. So you can see here, once it meets the circle again, it will type the A. So where is the P? So P is on the above there. So what do you need to do in order to select the P? Just move back, reverse, and now Y is selected. Now we have to move to B, and just move to the next row, B. Now B is selected. Now again we need to select the P. Now P is selected. Once the P is selected, just move back to the center. Now the P is being typed. Once again we need a P letter. Do the same thing. Just move it there. Y is selected. Now next is B is selected. P is selected. Once the P is selected, just move back to the center. Now we need a L. So L is at the bottom. So just swipe it at the down. Swipe. Now E is selected. Now let's move up. Now L is selected. As soon as the L is selected, just move back to the center. Now L is being typed. Now we need a E. Just move down again and swipe it this way. Now E is selected. So we need a E. So we'll just move back to the center. Now the word apple is being typed, right? So if you want to delete it, you can just click on this backspace button in order to delete it. Now let us try some more words like hello, right? So on the left bottom you can see here each alphabet is available. So what you need to do, just do the same thing. Just tap and hold on the center or the circle, tap it, and just move towards the left. Just rotate. Now I is selected. We need H. Now H is selected. Now move back to the center. Now H is being typed. Now we need a E. Just rotate it. So E is selected. Just move back to the circle. Now we need a L. Swipe down again. E is selected. Now we need a L. Now L is selected. Now move back to the center. Now again we need a L. So do the same thing. E is selected and L is selected. Once the L selected, move back to the center to type it. Now we need a O. So O is in the right side of bottom. So you can see here. So let's move upwards. So O is selected. Now we just move back to the center. So you can clearly see it might look very complicated to type the words, but once you practice it a lot, you can find it much easier if you want to type some words or sentences. So here you will get some more buttons on the left hand side, like the emojis, and here you can just get more options like copy, paste, cut, move upwards, downwards, paste, everything here. And just below to it is a settings option, and there is a control button also. So in my opinion, it's a very unique and different looking on-screen keyboard for any Android smartphones and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.